Hello students, in the last class we have studied about aldol condensation and today's class cross aldol condensation. What is meant by cross aldol condensation? When aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehydes or two different ketones. Cross aldol condensation takes place between two different aldehydes or two different ketones. For example, we are taking two different aldehydes. Example, acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde. There are two different aldehydes. One is acetaldehyde, formula CH3CHO. One is propanaldehyde, CH3CH2CHO. There are two different aldehydes undergoes cross aldol condensation, and those aldehydes, acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde, containing alpha hydrogen atom to form four different products. Forms four different products. Let us see one by one. Acetaldehyde adds to the acetaldehyde. One acetaldehyde is added to the another acetaldehyde, followed by the dehydration. Removal of water to gives 2 butanol. Let us see. Example, acetaldehyde is one acetaldehyde CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde, I place name ethanol. It is one of the molecule acetaldehyde. One acetaldehyde is added to the another acetaldehyde. See, hydrogen reacts with oxygen of the carbonyl oxygen to form OH. Yes, hydrogen reacts with oxygen and double bond converts to the single bond C, most electronegative, and C O minus. It is hydrogen is gaining to form OH, and the remaining CH2CHO is attached to the carbonyl carbon to form 3-hydroxy butanol. Why it is 3-hydroxy? Alpha carbon and it is beta carbon. Alpha is after the functional group. First carbon is alpha and next carbon is beta. I place nomenclature 1, 2, 3 and 4. Third carbon containing hydroxyl group. See, 3-hydroxy butanol. Butane is for 4 carbons. Air indicates aldehyde as a functional group. 3-hydroxy butanol and commonly called as beta hydroxy aldehyde or aldol it is. Aldol by self condensation or dehydration, removal of water in the presence of alpha and beta carbon. It is alpha carbon, it is beta carbon. Removal of water from alpha and beta, CH2 written as CH and H. Removal of water from alpha and beta like this. If you remove water, 3-hydroxy butanol converts into the 2-butanol. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Name is 2-butanol. Carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second carbon containing double bond N. En indicates unsaturated, and it is the 4 carbons to that but. But 2NL. Butanol or 2-butanol. Second, acetaldehyde is adds to the propanaldehyde. This acetaldehyde is added to the propanaldehyde. See, it is a propanaldehyde. Carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Carbon number 1, 2, 3 means propane, and the function group is aldehyde. Propanaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is added to the propanaldehyde. So one hydrogen from the acetaldehyde is added to the carbonyl oxygen to convert OH, and the remaining part in the acetaldehyde CH2CHO is attached to the carbonyl carbon to form 3-hydroxy pentanol in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. To form 3-hydroxy, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3-hydroxy pentanol. 5 carbons, pentane. Air indicates aldehyde. Of course, it is a alpha and beta carbon, alpha and beta hydroxy, alpha carbon, beta hydroxy aldehyde, commonly called as aldol. Now, in the step next dehydration, removal of water at the position alpha and beta carbon. If you remove the water molecule from the alpha and beta carbon to form unsaturated at the position alpha and beta to form 2 pentanal. See, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, alpha beta unsaturated compound containing 5 carbons, pentanol. Double bond is present at the second carbon. So 2 pentanal or pent 2NR. Third example, propanaldehyde adds to propanaldehyde. It is one of the propanaldehyde, carbon number 1, 2, 3. So propanaldehyde is CH3, CH2, CHO, CH3, CH2, CHO. Propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde is added to the another propanaldehyde. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, 2 gives 3 hydroxy, 1, 2, 3, 3 hydroxy, 2 methyl pentanal. By the loss of water here, alpha and beta carbon, 2 forms 2 methyl 2 pentanal. Let us once again repeat that propanaldehyde is added to the propanaldehyde. See, it is a propanaldehyde, it is also propanaldehyde. Alpha hydrogen from the one of the propanaldehyde, say it is alpha hydrogen, is added to the carbonyl oxygen to form OH, and remaining part CH3, CHO. This part is attached to the carbonyl carbon to form one compound, name is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third carbon containing OH, name is 3 hydroxy, 2 methyl, it is a branch, 2 methyl, 5 carbons, so pentane, CHO is aldehyde, pentanal. Yes, alpha carbon it is, in this compound it is alpha, it is beta, beta hydroxy aldehyde. It is also called as aldol compound. Aldol reaction. This aldol self-condensation 2 gives it means dehydration, removal of water from alpha and beta. I'll write hydrogen like this. Removal of water from alpha and beta carbon to forms alpha beta unsaturated compound. Name is CHO, CH3. Unsaturated compound, double bond, remaining CH2 and CH3. Name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 5 carbons means it is a pentane. Functional group is aldehyde, pentanal, but functional branches are containing 1 methyl. It is present at the position 2 methyl. 2 second carbon also containing unsaturated double bond. 2 methyl 2N, 2 methyl 2NR means pentanal. 2 indicates the position. Double bond is present at the second carbon. 2 pentanal is the aldol condensation product. One of the products. It is the third product, and fourth product is formed by propanaldehyde is adds to the acetaldehyde. See, it is a propanaldehyde. Carbon number 1, 2, 3. It is a propanaldehyde. Adds to the acetaldehyde. It is acetaldehyde. CH3, CHO is acetaldehyde. Or ethanol. Propanaldehyde in that alpha hydrogen is it is beta. Alpha hydrogen atom is adds to the carbonyl oxygen to convert CO oxygen with hydrogen to form OH. Yes, remaining CHCHO is attached to the carbon in carbon. Second carbon. Yes, it is a second carbon containing CH3CH, CH3CH, CHO. In the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. To form alpha beta unsaturated compound, beta hydroxyaldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. After the functional group, it is a functional group after the second carbon. Yes, alpha and beta. Beta hydroxyaldehyde name is 2-methyl and 3-hydroxy. Alphabetical rule follows hydroxy. 3-hydroxy 2-methyl 4 carbons butanol. Second carbon containing the 2-methyl. Name is complete. The name 3-hydroxy 2-methyl 4 carbons butanol. 3-hydroxy 2-methyl butanol. This is a basic name. Common name is beta hydroxyaldehyde. It is aldol. Dehydration from alpha and beta carbon. Alpha carbon atom having one hydrogen represented like this. Water is removed from alpha and beta. This alpha is beta carbon. Water is removed. Hydrogen from the alpha carbon, OH from the beta. If you remove OH to form aldol condensation product, CHO, C, CH3, double bond because removal of water to form unsaturated. CH, C, CH3, double bond, CH, CH3. And its name is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, so that it is a butanol. Butanol and containing two functional groups. One is a branch, methyl branch, and one is unsaturated compound. Unsaturated double bond is present at the second carbon, and the branch also present at the same second carbon. Name is 2-methyl, 2-methyl, and 2-N. 2-methyl 2-butanol or but2-NO.